Okay, so for task 3, I want you to pretend like you're doing things from scratch. So I want you to open up your Google Drive. I want you to click on a sheet, and I need you to rename that sheet, put some items on it, and then I'm going to have you move it into your folder for week 2. So with that being said, we're going to do this step by step. You're going to open up a tab, go to your drive, click on new, sheet. All right, so it says rename the sheet with the title assignment list. Okay, so we're going to rename it. All right, and press enter. Then it says put the following items on it: student name, and let's say addition practice right now. Student name. Okay. And then it was ELA reading comprehension and famous people project. All right. Now just move your columns over a little bit because these guys are going to go into the other ones. And you can see what I'm doing here. All right. Famous people project. So if you didn't catch what I did before, what I did is I went up to the columns and I clicked on it, and there's going to be a double arrow that appears when you go over to the right. So just take it and pull it. All right. So now I want you to move it into your teacher folder into week 2 subfolder. Okay. So you're going to go right up here to the move button, and you're going to click on move. You're going to go down to your teacher folder right here. Click it open. Going to go to week 2, and you should already see your shopping list in there, and then move here. You're all set, and it's now moved.